Android lets you set a unique notification sound for each app, and for some apps, you can even set a different sound for different types of notifications. To set a different notification sound for each app, we'll need to change one important setting first. Go to Settings and scroll down to Notifications. Then towards the bottom, we'll go to Advanced Settings. Scroll down and enable the toggle that says Manage Notification Categories for each app. This is something that needs to be enabled before we can use unique sounds for each app. Once that's enabled, we'll go back to Notifications menu, scroll up and tap App Notifications. You'll see a list of apps, and now you can pick an app that you want to change the sounds for. Select any app, and from the settings for that app, you'll choose Notification Categories. Then choose a type of notification, and you can change the sound for that type of notification. Some apps will have more notification categories, some will have just a few. It's all dependent on the app you're working with. This app, for example, allows me to set a different sound for high-priority notifications, so I'd know the difference between regular and high-priority notifications just based on the sound. You can repeat this for as many apps as you'd like. Some apps like WhatsApp will have a separate button for configuring sounds within the app itself. If you see this option available, it's a good way to change your sounds and might give you more flexibility compared to doing it from your system settings. Then again, sometimes system settings notification categories will have options that are not available within the app itself, so it really depends. Look at both options and use whatever fits your needs best. And that's basically it. Just repeat it for each app that you want to use custom sounds for. I have a separate video showing how to use custom ringtones and alert sounds. So if you're interested in using a custom sound effect or song as your notification sound, I'll link that video in the description below. Click that like button if this was helpful and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in another video.